In this video, I'm going to go ahead and do the top row, and then you're going to go ahead and do these three problems across the bottom. Okay, so first, we are reviewing distributive property and combining like terms. Notice there's no equal signs anywhere here. Okay, so we're just simplifying, right? There's no equals here. So what I observe is that this has an x, and I'm looking for another term with an x, and I'm going to underline it. Notice when I underline, look, I'm catching the sign in front. This negative belongs to this 2x, so I'm underlining it. Look, and then this and this both don't have an x, so those are also like terms. So now I'm going to combine. 4x minus 2x, that's 4 minus 2 is 2, that's 2x. And then this is negative 6 minus 5. So that's 6 negatives and 5 more negatives, right? They're all negatives, nothing cancels here, I'm adding. I have 6 negatives, 5 more negatives, that's a total of 11 negatives. Okay, also remember that you can use your calculator if just like the mental math is the issue, right? So like in this case, I would do negative 6 minus 5. Look, negative 6 minus 5, and I would get negative 11. All right. Next one, when I see parentheses, that means multiplication. That means I'm multiplying negative 5 times 3x and negative 5 times negative 4. Once again, you can use the calculator if you need to. Look, this is negative 5 times 3. That would get me negative 15. Okay, negative times positive is negative. 5 times 3 is 15. And because it's 3x, it's negative 15x. Now here, negative times negative is positive. 5 times 4 is 20. Okay, in this problem, we're going to have to do both. We're going to have to distribute and combine like terms. Okay, so look, first I distribute. Now, what I'm going to multiply here is negative 2. I'm going to multiply and multiply. I am not multiplying this 15, and I'm not doing this math first. I'm going to just bring down the 15. This negative 2 is what's being multiplied. We know because it's right next to the parentheses. That's what it means when a number is right next to the parentheses. Negative times positive is negative. 2 times 3 is 6. And since this is 3x, it's negative 6x. Negative 2 times negative 5. This is negative times negative is positive, and 2 times 5 is 10. Okay, and now I'm not done because I have like terms. This doesn't have an x, and this also doesn't have an x. Okay, so we're going to combine them. Now look, see this negative 6x? There's no like terms. Notice that negative belongs to the 6x, okay? So when we bring it down, that negative comes down with the negative 6x, and then this is 15 and positive 10. 15 plus 10 is 25.